We all have gathered here for a very special occasion, although it makes me feel sad that the rate of child suicide is increasing day by day. I would start with one quote, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
आज वर्ल्ड सुसाइड प्रिवेंशन डे है. हर साल विश्व में 7.46 यानी 7.46 लोग पूरे विश्व की आबादी का आत्महत्या करते हैं, जिसमें पुरुषों की संख्या 5.19 लाख है. 5.19 लाख है. दूसरे नंबर पर महिलाएं आती हैं पूरी आबादी का, जिनकी संख्या 2.27 है. हृदय भग्न हो जाएगा, मैं क्या करूं, मैंने जितना मेहनत किया लक्ष्य नहीं मिला, ऐसा नहीं बन पाया, तो चलो एक रास्ता ढूंढते हैं.
What you people think? You watch news, you read news. So what do you think comes in a child's mind when he thinks about committing a suicide? So that's my question. Anyone? Yes.
Greetings of the day, everyone. I'm Ayushi from grade 11th, and I think that one of the major problem that students face is that, like, if they want to continue their future in some another field instead of studies, like they are interested in drawing or something sports, something like that. So, like they are average student at the school, and somewhere like they are facing that they are biased or they have been forced that he or she is very weak in studies or something like that. But that person has a particular specific goal regarding anything else of academics. So, like parents used to force them that study in all those things, and they do not support that particular child for continue her or his field in that particular thing. So, I think, sir, that could be a reason for that.
When they got a failure, they can't handle it. They think I waste my parents' money, and that was the main reason. In Kota, there was a case of suicide was very great in that area.
Suicide is when they are being bullied in school due to their looks or due to their appearance. So their peers basically bully them for their appearance. So that could be a reason for their suicide.
Greetings of the day, everyone. I am Yashi. So the reason is for suicide is that by parents are like comparing their children by other for their marks, that they are getting higher marks and they are getting lower marks. So by this, their children are putting pressure on her and they get suicide.
Social fear. Social fear is a reason why students commit suicide. If the students commit a mistakes, rather than standing him or making him knowledge that he commit a mistakes, everyone used to make her friends, him or her friends. That was not correct, and I think this is a reason why students commit suicides.
Anyone who can give the prevention? Yes, Ayushi.
So here are some prevention. That is धार्मिक या सत साहित्य पढ़ना, like reading literature or some books that can prevent from being stressed. And next is शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य पर ध्यान रखना. So our first goal should be to take care of our own health, because that will lead to a brighter future and a good health. And next is मनोविकार होने पर मनोवैज्ञानिक या चिकित्सक की सलाह लेना. So because of any type of stress or anxiety, we should take the suggestion from a psychologist. So they can suggest some points to us that can prevent us from being stressed. Next is ईश्वर की सत्ता में विश्वास रखना. That is the most important thing, that we should believe in God. We should believe in ourselves that if we are here at that place, so we, because of some goal, some particular goal, we have to do something in our future. So by thinking about that, like we should not think of doing suicide or anything else. Thank you. Common and critical point is social harassment and bullying.
Hello everyone, I am Abhiha from grade 10. Another reason is that the parents who are not success in their life, they pressurize their children to be what they didn't become in their life. Some parents pressurize their children to become a doctor when they didn't become in their life. Just because of this, some children suicide. Because they don't want to become a doctor or an engineer or another things. They want to become a dancer or whatever they want to become a teacher instead of doctor and engineers. Just because of their expectations.
At last, I will conclude this session with one thing. Always keep a number which Girish Acharya sir, they already gave you, 1098, which is India's children helpline number.
So this two lines is for students who gave up. जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है. So that should be in everyone's mind, that you should not give up. Because जब तक हम हारेंगे नहीं, तब तक हम जीतने की सोच ही नहीं सकते हैं. So failure is very important. Thank you. जीत जाएंगे हम तो अगर संग है, जिंदगी हर करम एक नई जंग है, जिंदगी हर करम एक नई.
I started this session with our statement, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. And I'm concluding the session with the same statement, जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. It's very precious.